Our top story: an earthquake devastated Nepal. The number of dead has now crossed 4,300 and there's a crisis looming with shortage of food, water and electricity as well as medicines. Even as fear kept tens of thousands of people out in the open for a third night. Now multinational rescue teams are carrying out relief work including India. The Indian Air Force is helping to reach far-flung areas as the extent of damage to mountainous villages is becoming clearer. NDTV Sonal Mehrotra reports as injured people and children are being airlifted for treatment.
We are here in yet another village in the western part of Nepal and rescue operations are on in full swing over here. We've got people who are critically ill being brought in some ambulances, some jeeps and being transported from them through way of crutches to the aircraft. You've got the Nepali Red Cross also working along this area. This man has hit his head really bad and is also hurt on the feet. There are also, this seems like a family of sorts. The woman is also crying, unable to move. People are now trying to get her out of the van. It's devastating to see the kind of people who are being brought in here. People who can hardly walk, they've injured their hands and limbs and are being now airlifted from such remote areas in Nepal through these Indian Air Force helicopters. Another one here, another one extremely elderly citizen being brought in here and will be taken on our aircraft. With this, we'll try and get them back to the base camp where immediate medical facilities shall be provided. We come to you from one of the rescue operations being done by the Indian Air Force, where this helicopter has landed to the remotest areas of western Nepal and brought in all these people. These visuals on your screens are the people desperate in need of help who have now been picked up by the Indian Air Force and brought in here. They were all rescued from this swamp village near the China border, we are told. This is the western part of Nepal which has been maximum hit. This woman here, you can see, just devastating. She's got stitches on her forehead, her hand severely injured, couldn't be sitting straight. Another woman here, hand fractured and here the face kind of swings off the kind of devastation they faced. Brought in here. I also have a little boy who seems to have hit his head very badly. This is being done by the Indian Air Force in collaboration with the Nepali army. They're going and working people on the ground and there the people are able to tabulate and the air lifted and brought back. We're bringing you aerial shots of the west region of Kathmandu where the maximum impact of the earthquake has taken place. The houses that you saw on your screens there, it's houses like these out of the city in isolated pockets that have seen the maximum impact, and to them we will bring these. These are the supplies which the Indian Air Force is carrying. These massive boxes that you see here are tents which will be dropped, water, food, tents mostly brought in here by the Indian Army and now being handed over to the Nepalese Army here. The Indian Air Force brings them in and the Nepalese Army then further going on to distribute them amongst the locals.